got smacked in this left rear corner. I have a Volkswagen Tiguan here. Got smacked in this left rear corner and destroyed this quarter panel extension down here, and also slightly rolled the taillight pocket and the rear body panel right at the edges. I'll repair those once I get it all cut apart. First, I'm gonna make a quick pull on this and roughly pull all this damage out before I start cutting the panel off, just to get everything shifted back to where it's supposed to be. And then I will get this quarter panel cut off and start fitting my new one up. So I am marking my final cut points on this new quarter panel where Volkswagen wants to get sectioned in at. So I started off and they want 140 millimeters up from the edge right here, which I have marked right here. So that'll be my final cut right there. Then they want 100 millimeters down from this top point right here. And then the bottom point, they want 400 millimeters, which is almost where it came at, slightly shorter. So I have this quarter panel roughly sitting on here, and it has a nice even door gap Currently, the new panel is overlapping the old panel on the car by about an inch or so. So I'm going to scribe this. Then I will go ahead and lift this panel back off, and I'll trim each of these joints back to the scribe line, and that'll give me a perfect cut.